Explode, oh my.
This tube right here, you gotta keep the volcano from not falling. You can stick your finger in the tube.
First thing we're gonna do.
What?
Here you go.
What's this all white stuff?
Well, this is our, let's call it like modeling clay, okay? And what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to then come in and paint this.
Oh.
See how it's starting to look like a volcano?
Yeah. Wow. I can put some going in this. You want to tie a hole? It looks like a volcano.
So we squeeze out the air and suck it in. All right, now can you put a drop of water
Yeah.
on each of your colors here? Good. Okay, so
Wow, that looks so good, guys. Yeah, I see some purple and blue.
Is it done?
I think so. Do you want to move on to the next step?
Oh, yeah. What?
So we're going to open up our package that's got our fizzy taps. Not in the heart of your volcano.
All right. That was a heavy one, huh? Okay.
Now we got that.
Daddy's working hard over there. Getting us some warm water.
Now, so see, this is where we're going to pour from. You see that? And we're going to pour that right down in your volcano. Right? So you do it. I'm just holding it to help. Here it comes. Look, it's fizzing. You've got a volcano. Run, it's lava. Look at that. You see? It's still fizzing up. Nice. Oh, it's still going.
Whoa. What's on my church that?
And it says when it's done, we can take the pipette, fill it up with water, and get another volcano.
Yeah.
Okay?
Somebody touch that.
Want someone to touch it? Daddy, you want to touch it?
Yeah, I'll touch it.
I'm not gonna touch it.
You don't want to touch it?
No.
You should.
Are you sure?
No, it's lava.
It's
Hold
lava.
your hand while you touch the lava.
I don't want to touch the lava.
Okay.
I want you to touch the green one. It's the one on the top and says
It's lava!
Can I use this to pop it?
You can't.
It's a free lava!
Let me see if I can restart you a little bit with some water.
Yeah.
Here we go.
It's gonna.
There we go.
It's gonna blow.
There we go. That sounds pretty good.
Ooh.
My man, I'm stuck. I'm stuck, man.
Oh man, that paintbrush is stuck.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bye.
Alright, thanks for watching.